friends, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for Hip Knit Club featuring the August 2023 hip kits. Today I create a mixed media layout using the ink pads and one of the stencils which are included in the August color kit. I use the ink blending technique to create the background of my layout. I choose the lemon vine stencil which is included in the August color kit, the Distress Oxide Ink Squeezed Lemonade ink pad, also included in the August color kit, and the Catherine Pooler Garden Party mini ink pad from a previous kit. I start with the leaves, therefore I glue washi tape on the lemons to make sure they won't be accidentally also colored in green. And then I apply the ink using a blending brush. Then I peel off the washi tape and glue washi tape on the leaves. But don't cover all leaves with tape so that you can still see where to place the stencil. Now I can apply the squeezed lemonade oxide ink on the lemons. And then I take my scissors and cut the branches out. fussy cut 2 rows of lemons from the Hippie Club exclusive Sunshine and Lemonade Oh Hello There paper. And I cut the honeycomb texture 2 times from the Essential Solids Lime Zest cardstock, which is included in the August cardstock kit. I place the lemon branches on my layout, add one of the papers which are included in the August Pocket Life kit, the fussy cut lemons and the honeycomb texture die cuts. Finally, I add a branch which I had cut off before. Now I cut out some leaves using the October 2022 Lovely Leaves metal die set and color them using green ink pads from previous kits and a blending brush. Then I fussy cut some flowers and leaves from the Hippie Club exclusive Sunshine and Lemonade Wildly Good paper. Now I add the colored leaves and the fussy cut flowers to my layout. I changed the background paper because I wanted a paper with a calmer pattern. I also add a die cut from the cardstock ephemera pack, which is included in the August main kit. For my title I choose one of the cardstock layered foam phrase stickers, also included in the August main kit. I layer my photo with a Pocket Life card and add a chipboard die cut and some fussy cut leaves and flowers. The chipboard die cuts are included in the August main kit. continue embellishing the layout with another word die cut, some puffy stickers and one of the debossed Volkswagen seal stickers, both included in the August embellishment kit, and another chipboard die cut. I choose some of the vellum stickers, which you can also find in the August embellishment kit, glue them on white cardstock and cut them out. Finally, I add some of the multicolor adhesive pearls, which are included in the August main kit, and some Nuvo drops from my stash. This is my finished layout. I hope you liked it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.